Hello everyone, welcome back to Becky Cooks. Let's make these yummy cupcakes together. So to our ingredients, I have half cup of milk. I'm going to list all the ingredients in the description box. So I just diluted 1 sachet of baked milk to half cup of water. And I have 3 eggs, pinch of salt, 2 cups of flour already sieved. You know it's very important to always sieve your flour, especially for baking. So this is the orange we are going to be using. Just get a very clean orange to use, and these are the cupcake papers. Then 1 cup of oil, and to start I added half cup of sugar and 1 cup of vegetable oil of your choice. Let it be flavorless so it doesn't conflict with the flavor of your cake. So you mix this up thoroughly and then add in your eggs one at a time. This recipe is very easy to make and it doesn't waste time at all. In less than 5 minutes you are done mixing up your ingredients together. Just a little bit of flavor, about 1/4 teaspoon. Then I'm grating the zest of this whole orange. The zest is just the back of the orange without that white part, just the green part. It has lots of flavor that will make this cake to be very nice. Zest it properly and add it up. So we are going to be cutting the juice also and add to this, because we are going for orange flavored cupcakes. This can also be cake in normal baking pan, any pan of your choice you can bake this cake in. So I just added half of the orange and the zest. The flavor, the aroma already was everywhere, and this is my half tablespoon of baking powder and the 2 cups of all-purpose flour. If you are seeing this video for the first time, please kindly subscribe to this channel, like and leave your comments. So it's time to add in our milk. But if you have liquid milk, it's fine. But if you don't have liquid milk, you can just transform your powdered milk to liquid milk. As simple as that. So this is a little bit of salt just to balance out the entire taste. So at this stage we are done with the mixing of the batter, and this is the consistency we are going for. Not too runny and not too thick, just perfect. And to our pan, we are going to be adding these cupcake papers. You don't need to oil the pan because it's not going to stick to it. Basically, there's no point oiling it. So this measuring cup I'm using is just the size of, let's say, 1 tablespoon. So 1 tablespoon, so that you get a very balanced and equal cake. Let all the cupcake come out the same size. So use this 1 tablespoon. But if you have this measuring cup, this is 1/8. It's equivalent to 1 tablespoon, I think. So 1 tablespoon will fit into this cupcake perfectly. So gradually fill that into your cupcake papers. Then gently pat it down and take to the oven to bake. So for the remaining part, it was mainly just a little bit, and I didn't want to wait to do another batch. I decided to add it into these ramekins that I have. And I put it in the oven for the both of them to bake at the same time, instead of waiting for one to bake and for the next, like this. So that was what I did, and after 15 minutes they were done. But this one was done before the other one, because the other one, the ramekins, were a bit bigger. So you see how it turned out. Time for the reveal. This cupcake recipe, or let me say this cake recipe, is a must try. That flavor of the orange zest, it elevated the taste of this cupcake. Yeah, I'm giving myself thumbs up, so please also give me thumbs up down below. So the flavor of this cake, let me review the taste after giving it. It was wow. And I got this idea from making pound cake earlier. There was time I made pound cake, lemon pound cake, in this video, in this channel. And I said, okay, if I can use lemon to make pound cake, then I can also use orange zest and also a little bit of orange. And that was how I came up with this idea to make this orange cake. I'll leave the link to that video in the comments, in the description below. This is best for your kids to take to school. You are covered for the rest of the week. Within 30 minutes maximum, you are done with making their snacks for the week. So you don't have to buy snacks that you're not sure of. So this is the outcome of the ones in the ramekins. It took about 5 minutes after the other one was done. These are the cakes I made. So that recipe gave us a lot of cupcakes actually, because if I was to make this ramekin on inside cupcakes too, there were going to be more. This one also came out very perfect. So you can package it like this to present it to your friends and to your loved ones. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Bye.